Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And we are back in business for moving forward with unassemblize development. Last session we did make good progress with the coloring, but it's still not yet quite done. Yeah, so we need to make a decision here on the coloring when we select those things. So the idea is that we blend. Let's see. Sorry. um, um, color. Imcol. I think we can simplify this to white. Okay, how about here we do it's refactored later. So we can get style color vec 4 here. Get style color. And Can we also get it in a different way? Color, name, vec4. Vec4, okay. Okay, so we are looking at the color for, let's see, header. So this color is different here. Header, yeah, a classic header. It's the same here. Okay, so how about we get a header here, and header color. So let's call this here, let's rename this to text color, text background color. Then we create another one, mu32, header color, and then header. So text BG color. Let's call this main color. How about that? Main color. And then we create a have header color for header. Then we have header active and hovered, right? Good. So header color hovered active. Okay, and then we create const mu32 header color u32 mgui converts convert float4 to u32. Hovered active. Okay. Hovered active. And then we blend this with the main color. So this im alpha blend colors, and then we pass the main color and main color. Oops. Um, yeah, so the main color, yeah, we take this guy and we blend it with this, right? Well, actually not. We have to create color. And we create a new color with the alpha 128, so half. Okay. And then we create oh Jesus. There we go. And then we and then we create color. So that color now should be somewhere between blue and green or reds. And then we should I am inclined to change yeah, I'm inclined to change how this thing here works. Maybe we should scoped. How about we name this scoped style color? Scoped style color. And we do instead, we do push style color, push style, what does this take? Imgui col. So we give it imgui col. What does it say? Index, edx, and col. Push style color. Ah, it also accepts this. Okay, good. And then we do this, and pop count we do plus plus pop count plus plus. There we go. We make this an integer here. And we call it pop style count. Pop style count. And then we push and push style color. Push. Do imgui call index call. Okay. And then we do the same here. There, good. Index call. Okay. Then we take all this stuff here and we take that out. We also rename this. Okay. So now this is a general purpose scope style color. In imscope there's also a style color, but it's different to this here. It's different. Okay, so, and then we say it's different because in the constructor you must put something. So it's different, yeah. So let's not touch the text color for now. Okay, now what? Oh. We should probably call this header style color. And this we can remove. Okay, so header style color, header hovards, call header. Okay, so main color, main. Okay, so we move this here, and then here, set color, set color for selectable, selectable. Okay, and then here we also create color. Create color, and we pass here header color, and we do alpha. So that is 31. 255 times 0.31, that is 79. Okay, so put 79 here, and then we can remove this, and oops, 255 times 0.8 is 204. But we want, hold on, we only want, oh no, I think it's fine, 204. And this would be 255. Okay, Harvard's. And active 255. Okay. Okay, that's quite a mess. It's hard to read all this mumbo jumbo here. I hope we can simplify this code somehow then. Okay, let's see how this looks. So the goal is that we now get a blend between this blue highlight colors and the green or reds. Let's see. Something in between. So let's say. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's something in between, right? Uh-huh. But it's kind of weird because then we select it and it becomes less reddish, right? So here we have a 0% there, and we select it and it becomes like a faint red. Let's see, let's select all. I think the green looks okay. Yeah. Yeah, but I guess it's that is what happens if we blend blue with the colors, right? Yeah. I guess it's fine. It's not too bad. Maybe there's some argument against this. I'm not sure. Yeah. It seems a bit too bright, perhaps. Right? Like, this seems to be a bit darker here. This seems to be a bit brighter. So how about we reduce these here a bit? Yeah, we could also blend here more in favor of our custom colors. Or maybe less in favor of our custom colors. So what if we put here header color. So this is the main color. And here we put 100. So the original color takes more precedence. The blue takes more precedence, more priority. Let's see. Yeah. So now the blue is more prevalent. Got some collisions here. Yeah, which makes it then more closer to the original colors. Yeah. Which is not too bad. I think this is pretty good. Maybe we can do it a little bit more in favor. So maybe 160. 160 maybe? Let's try that. 160. Let's see. But 192 didn't look too bad, I would say. Okay. Yeah. I can't decide if it's okay or not. I don't know. I guess it's good that it's the selected things certainly look very different to the non-selected ones. So it's easy. It's possible to see. I don't know. Sure. I think it's okay. Maybe we can optimize a bit further, but in principle, I like it. I like it because this looks good. Like if it's not selected, it looks really clean. And if it is selected, it's still visible. And it's also clearly visible what we have selected, right? Right, so like we can see we have this selected, this stuff here. So that's good. Yeah, I guess it's fine. What I don't like so much is that now we hover this thing and it's so like so purple, you know. It would be better probably if it was more reddish. But how do we do that? I don't know. I mean, since we blended with blue, hover. Well, maybe what we can do is here, this color. Try. 64. Maybe we put like 96 here and 64 here. Let's see how that looks. So essentially when we select those or hover, when we hover those, then they are more red. And when we click on them, they are even redder. But still a little bit of blue in there. But if they're just selected, then they're more bluish. Maybe that's fair. Let's see. So, yeah, so when we hover, it's more red. Yeah. And when we select, it's more red as well. Okay, that's cool. I think this looks good. Yeah. The white on green is a bit hard to read, but I think it's fine. Yeah. Just buy better eyes, I guess. Right. Okay, so yeah, so basically when it's just selected, it's more bluish. More bluish. I think this red on click looks good. On hover, I'm not sure. The colors when nothing is selected, I think look very good. Like this, just nothing selected. This looks really good to me. Like it's really clear to see. You can see the green, gray, the red is super visible. You see like something like in between, like not quite green. This looks really good to me. But the selected colors is not quite there yet. But I don't know what to do about this. I think this is not bad. It's like a nice red. Harvard. Active. So that's active. Harvard. Well, I mean, I guess we can also make this Harvard 60. Yeah. Maybe we also make this 64 and this back to 128 in the middle. Let's see how that looks. Compare. Yeah. Okay. Good. So hovering looks good. Yeah. Yeah, I think hovering looks good. Selecting also looks good to me. Yeah. And selecting also looks good to me. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Looks okay to me. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe colors are a bit aggressive, but I think it's fine. Let's do this. I think it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty decent. Okay, let's also look at the name collision down here. So can we solve this by changing um, here update label. What if we function name? Updates. Similarity. Updates. How about we rename it to update info? If we, I'm inclined to put the similarity back here as a member. Because since we have this or not. The problem is that like here we bake in the similarity value, which in principle would be fine, but since we have this concept of different similarity values depending on the comparison leniency, lenient, undecided, and strict, this value can change, right? And then if we change it, we need to rebuild the strings, right? Yes. Okay, I wonder. So this update label function, where's this called? Here. So this named function, there's an ID. Name function ID. Okay, how about we pass uint32 ID, TID, just call it function ID, can be anything. Okay, function ID, there we go. And then with the ID, we put here function %d, function ID, and same here, function ID. And here. And then here we need to do the same. FMT oops. There we go. Okay, so everywhere where we call this function, we now also pass named function.id. And here as well, named function.id. There we go. Okay, and this maybe will avoid the name conflicts. Ah, there's one more thing. No, actually that's not. That would only be similarity. Let's say war similarity dot has value. So if similarity value is set, then we update the label, which I think is fair to do. And then we can remove this guy here. Okay, that works. Ah, we need to check about the collisions. So let's go down here and let's see. Ah, okay, now that works. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so we got that problem fixed. Yeah, it should be relatively fast. Well, I do see some lags now. Probably because we have so much selected. This thing is getting now expensive here. Okay, good. Then let's try to clean up the mess that we have created here, which is quite a lot. This is a mess here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it would be nice if we could somehow offload this into some other functions. Ugh. We certainly have to move this into smaller functions. But still then, this stuff is huge here. Main color. This thing, does it return? Oh, it returns a ref. Okay. Okay, maybe we can move this stuff here into a single function. So basically we would just pass this scoped style color. And we would pass this match info. And the descriptor or match function. What else do we need? So this matched function. Looks like we just need the matched function. So how about we put here void comparison manager function list color. Okay, and there we pass this guy, matched function, and we pass this one. List set color, style color, function list set color. Okay, let's see if we can move it in there. That would be great. So selection for selection. So move it down here. We need to make a pass where we split up this big function there. It's so much stuff in there. Okay, so we got this guy here, and hold on, here we need to have a reference. Style color, set color. Okay, and then let's see. So we simply copy this stuff here, and we put it here, and then we also need a UI info. Oof. UI info match function. So this guy here, push. Yeah. How about we do here im u32 blended header color, blended. Maybe we can remove this U32. For simplicity, simplicity's sake. All right, and then here we can do vec for, okay, and then we also make these guys const, and now we also need this set color for text background, set color for selectable, make configurable. UI info. This guy. Do we just pass a label? Matched function, label size, cursor person. Okay. I would say we call this here, pass in the header style color, and maybe we rename it also to style color, and matched function. This UI info is also accessed there, okay. Okay, how about we move this guy here? Move this guy here. How about we move this guy down here? Okay, so let's comment all this stuff here. Oops. And so we need to pass also this UI info thingy. So we need program comparison descriptor, file UI info const. There we go. So we pass here UI info. And then down here, we pass this as well. And with this, we should have everything. Yeah. Okay, that's good. It's offloaded. Don't see it anymore. Then let's delete this stuff here. Okay. Okay, now this is a little bit more manageable here. Yeah. Okay. Let's put this so style color. Okay. This looks good. Let's see if it works. Good. All right. Compare. Okay. Single bundle. Okay, so click, click, click. This doesn't look as I expected it to look. Did something wrong. Oh, right. It's not the blended one we use here. There we go. Hopefully this stuff here is not too expensive. It needs to calculate it every frame. Yeah, it's just a bunch of mass operations. Well. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's worth it to cache these things in the UI info vector instead of like calculating, building these colors every frame. But these are just mass and shifting. So like the CPU work is really small for this. But since it has to do it for like so many functions, but I mean, loading data is also expensive. So yeah. So I don't know, maybe this is just fine. It's just so much steps here. Like getting this thing, converting it. Can we maybe get rid of this convert here? This convert is, yeah, it's a bit work here. Get color U32. Get color U32. Col. Get color U32. Alpha mul. be nice if we can make it cheaper. So much steps here. Well, but this here is probably more expensive here. Calc text size, yeah. Set color for selective. Blend colors, main color. Similarities 1, green color, okay. This here is perfect. Maybe we can break this here a little bit apart. So here we have red color. Red color. What is this here? This is green. Green. Let's call this const insert towards green color. Towards green color. Let's call this close to green color. Is that fair? So blend red color close to green color. Yeah, makes it a bit more readable. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Set color for selectable. Set color. Okay, can we simplify this somehow? There's so much stuff here happening. We have okay, this we need down here. Okay, blended. The blending we also need. Create color. This one we also need. This converting, if we can get rid of this would be great. But I don't see it because we don't have a get style color. Because these colors are stored as in vec, yeah, they're not stored as U32, which makes me wonder why. Get color U32. Get color U32. Yeah, maybe we can. Header color. How about? Maybe what we can do is at least we hide this one step here and put this in line. Here. I mean, it doesn't help any computation, but at least gets rid of 3 lines, which I guess is fair. Yeah. Yeah, main color, yeah. Let's add a comment here. Full green color when 100%. Blend from red to somewhat green when 0 to 99%. set green color, blend from red to somewhat green. When similarity is set, when similarity is 100%. Lenient. Make configurable, yeah. Set main color for text background, set blended colors for selectable region. Yeah, I think it is understandable. Yeah. Good. Selected. Okay, okay, good. Yeah. Match info, UI info, name function. Okay. Good. All right. Okay, good. Is there anything else we need to set? Let's see. Let's see. Somehow we have some stashes here. Okay, so we added this thing here, copied from imgui internal. This only accounts for this function. Imgui misc. Let's put this comment here behind this one. Okay, there we go. Create color, color alpha. Okay. Okay, so scope style color. There we have push style color, push, pop style count, yeah. Pop style. Okay, this looks good to me. And this looks also good to me. And this is just a copy, and this here is new alpha, new alpha. Right. Okay, good. Then here we have some small optimization. Okay, so we added optional red color. Do we use this actually? Hold on. Red color. PDB. Okay. Red color. Yes, we use that. Okay. Red color. Red. Okay, so optional. We have a red color. Named function UI info. Okay. There we have a commented function here. We should delete that. Maybe. Here. So we have update label function where we give a function name. The function ID is matched function and the similarity currently. Maybe this interface will change in the future. I don't know yet. But for now, this works. Yeah. Okay, so update label. Update label, and then we can remove this here. Okay, so if label is empty or similarity has value, it's matched function. Similarity has value and doing this and that. Okay, else that. Okay. Good. So this looks fine. We have an init here. On that note, with the init, when we do update label, where do we call this here? Update label, updates, name function index. I think it's fine. Yeah. Similarity. Lenient. Yeah. Fire. UI info. Okay. Yeah, I think this is fair. Good. So we have this init here, and here we have another commented function. Here, get named function. Okay, is matched function. Okay, remove that. Is matched function. Get matched function index. We never call this. Maybe we can remove this function here. Or let's leave it there for now. Good. So actually, hold on. We just added it here, but we never used it. Well, that's wild. Well, if we don't use it yet, then let's remove this guy. No need to keep that functions. Okay. Good. So this is okay. Requires prior call. Okay. Get filtered name function match infos. Okay. Function match infos. UI infos. Okay. And here we have it. Here we have another commented thingy. Get matched function. Get matched function. Okay, update matched named function UI infos. Spun. Okay. And here we have big function, style color, match function, UI info. Okay. All right, so in GUI app. So we have a function update label. It takes these thingies. So we already looked at this. It's all fine. Okay. Then we take that guy, Good. So free container. Da, 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 yeah. Init, name functions build, resize. Name functions, resize. Okay. Is matched function, yes. Get active named function indices. Get active name, update named function UI info there. Okay. Update name functions, da 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 da. Update label, blah blah blah. Okay, this is good. All right, so here we have get filtered named function. We remove this assert filter, assert index smaller than this, and then we okay. This, okay. Then we have here an init file, init, okay. Here's a rename. Okay, update match name functions UI info. Okay. Da 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 is compared. Okay. To do. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay, here's some more renamings. Callback. Callback, here we call when the matched functions have been built for the selections selection we made, then we call update match name functions for this range that we have. Yeah, this is good. Here we added a bunch of asserts plus the inits. All async commands have finished. Yeah. Okay. Go to next step. Actually, let's go back here once more. This comment here, it seems a bit inconclusive. And we should say all async commands have finished. Initialize or finalize initialization. Finalize initialization. Okay. So finalize initialization. Then here we have the callback. This go to next step. Return null pointer. Yeah, okay. Chain to last, callback. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here what did we do? We added span available with, yeah. Span available with, which was fair. Let's not submit this yet, this change. Yeah. Okay, so we have this here is matched function file selection changed, all this stuff here. Okay, draw functions, we don't do this yet, but we add this one here. Yeah, okay. So we don't submit this work in progress stuff here with the nodes, 3 nodes. Yeah, we can do this another change. Okay, so here we added integer versions for the similarity calculation, returns 0, 100. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let's build this. Yeah. All right, let's see if it runs as usual. Compare. Okay, let's select all. Okay, we have red, green. Yeah. Okay, that looks good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like it. Looks good. Mm-hmm. Okay, then let's submit this. Yeah. So um, mhm. Good. So we call this implement comparison coloring in functions list. Fix name collisions. Fix name collisions. Fix function name collisions. On that note, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Good. Then, yeah, implement comparison coloring in functions list, fix function name collisions. Okay, I think that is fair. Let's commit this. All right. Good. What is the stash here? It's some old stash. We can drop it. Okay, let's stash the changes we currently have and see if it compiles. And if it does, then it's all good. It does. Okay. Then we stash pop again. And yeah, then it's been 1 hour 30. Yeah, I think it's a good time to take a break. We figured out the coloring situation. Then we can now continue with with drawing the new stuff for the selected functions. Yeah, which will be a lot of work. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. I think good progress, but yeah, it's still a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, but we're getting there. Small baby steps. All right, then I will take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.